Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Do you want to create a brand new TikTok account on your iPhone? Don't worry, the process is simple, fast, and only takes a few minutes. Whether you're starting fresh, building a second account for business, or exploring new content ideas, creating an additional TikTok account is easy to do right from the app. Let's walk through the step-by-step guide to create a new TikTok account on your iPhone. No need to delete your old one. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Make sure you've already downloaded and installed TikTok from the App Store. Tap to open the app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you're already logged in to an existing account, you'll see your profile page. Step 3. Add a new account. Tap the three-line icon or three dots in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Tap Setting and Privacy. Scroll down and choose Switch Account and then tap Add Account. Step 4. Choose a sign-up method. TikTok gives you several options to sign up, using your phone number, using email, using Apple ID or Google account. If you choose to sign up with email, tap Use Email, enter your email, tap Continue, and you'll be asked to create a secure password. Then click Continue. Enter your date of birth. Click Continue. Then, choose a unique username for your new account. Once that's done, your new TikTok account will be created automatically. You're now logged into your brand new TikTok account. You can personalize your profile, start following others, and post content right away. The best part, you can easily switch between accounts using the Switch Account feature. No need to log out and back in. And that's it. You've successfully created a new TikTok account on your iPhone. It's fast, free, and doesn't require you to delete or log out of your old account. Whether for fun, business, or creativity, you now have a fresh TikTok profile to explore and express yourself. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.